Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M04s, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Display. Then you need to click on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and click on the best font for you, in my case Gothic Bold. As you can see, after that, style of my text has changed. But you can always click on Font Style, tap on Download Fonts instead, and install the best one for you, like Cool Dress. When your style is ready, you can tap on Apply right away, or go back and tap on it on the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!